morning. Second day started here in Misool. We reached this area of Raja Ampat during the night after a long crossing. Slept like a baby. Now already got to breakfast. It's 6:20 in the morning. In 10 minutes we're gonna have a briefing and ready for the first dive at 7. Today we will make 4 dives, including a night one tonight. We are in the middle of nowhere.
Cannot go straight away. The most of the dive site are near.
So, second day in Raja Ampat. They started early, 6 a.m. First dive, soon after second dive, lunch, another dive, back to the boat, and I decided to start flying some drones. The Avata is supposed to be quite reliable with GPS, intelligent battery, and so on. So I decided let's fly that first time FPV from the boat to get a bit more confidence and take it easy. Turn it on, everything fine. I didn't connect it to the DJI website link because there is no connection here. Started flying, turned it into manual mode, and right after a second it got completely crazy and flew super fast backwards. Luckily, very very luckily, it didn't hit the boat or anybody around, but it fell into the sea. So bye bye Avata. It was nice to have you, but I was always afraid of this to be happening. But don't worry, to gain back my confidence, I first flew the little one, the fly lens, on the boat, and then on the super awesome beach, and then even the big one, the manta. Because actually today I saw a lot of mantas in the sea. What drone could have been more appropriate than that?